We have proved that BCFD is a parallelogram. BCFD is a parallelogram. As BCFD is a parallelogram, therefore BC is also parallel with FD, and BC is also equal with FD. BC is parallel with, therefore BC is parallel with what? BC is parallel with FD. How? By the definition of what? Parallelogram. As BC is parallel with FD, because BCFD is a parallelogram, therefore BC is also parallel with what? ED. How? As BC is parallel with FD, therefore BC is also parallel with ED. How? Parts of parallel line. Therefore BC is parallel with what? ED. How? Parts of parallel lines. Parts of parallel lines. Now, first part we have proved. We want to prove that D is parallel with BC. We have proved that BC is parallel with what? ED. Now what we have to prove? We have to prove that D is half of BC. As BCFD is a parallelogram, therefore BC is also equal with what? FD. BC is equal with FD. BC is equal with FD. But FD is made up of what? FD is made up of DE plus EF. DE plus EF. But now, we have just proved this thing. Yes, we have proved by corresponding parts of corresponding triangles. Congruent parts of corresponding triangles. Right? What we have proved? We have proved that ED is equal with what? EF. ED is equal with EF. That is DE is equal with EF. Now I can write here, instead of EF, I can write what? DE. Because we have proved that DE is equal with EF by corresponding parts of congruent triangles. Proved above. Yes, we have the reason proved above. We have proved this thing. D plus D gives you what? D plus D gives you twice of DE. Now remove this, transpose this 2 from here. D is what? Half of BC. D is what? Half of BC. Now, from equation 5 and equation 6. From equation 5 and 6. What we can say this thing? We can say this thing that we have proved. Hence, proved. Thank you.